Hey everyone, it's me. I just came from the supermarket. Got a few things for the week. And yes, for those of you who might be asking, I'm walking home. It's a bit of a long walk from here. And I guess I just wanted to turn on the camera because I wanted to be honest with you guys. I wanted to explain why. The simple answer? To save on fare. The fare for a tricycle or a jeepney, it's not a fortune, I know. But right now, every single peso counts. Every single cent matters. You guys know how it is. I don't even have to explain it. The price of everything. Everything. From the cooking oil in this bag to the electricity bill waiting for me at home. It just keeps going up. It feels like we're all just trying to keep our heads above water, and the water level just keeps rising. And the truth is, the hard truth is, this vlog, my dream, it's not earning anything yet. I pour my heart, my time, and what little money I have into making these videos for you, but there's no income yet. So, how can I justify spending money on fare when I know it could be used for something else? For tomorrow's meal. It's a choice I have to make every single day. But you know what? This walk, it's more than just about saving money. In a weird way, this walk is my fight. Every single day, life tries to tell you to give up. The empty wallet tells you to quit. The tired body tells you to stop. The silence after you post a new video, sometimes it screams at you that nobody is watching. It's so easy to just surrender. But I won't. I refuse. Every step I take on this hard pavement, it's me telling myself, you are not defeated. This sweat on my brow, this is the proof that I am still working. This ache in my arms, it reminds me that I can still carry my own burdens. I am not giving up on my life, and I am not giving up on this vlog. I believe in this. I believe in telling stories. I believe in connecting with you. I dream of a day. I really, really hope for that day when I check my channel and see that we've grown, that there are more of you watching, more of you who have subscribed, not for the numbers, but for the community, for the feeling that I'm not just talking to a camera on a lonely street. And that's why I'm asking this of you now. If my story, if this struggle resonates with you even just a little bit, if you've ever felt tired or alone or felt like the world was just a little too heavy, then please, I'm asking you to walk with me on this journey. When you hit that subscribe button, you're not just becoming a number to me. You're telling me that I'm not alone on this walk. You're sending a signal that someone out there believes this is worth it. You are giving me the strength to take these steps again and again, every single day. Please, subscribe to the channel. Let's build something together. Let's prove that even on the longest, hardest walks, we don't have to walk alone. Thank you.